Fellas, it's your boy Big Beard B, and today we're here with a very important topic. We're talking about how to get a girl to chase you. I know on this channel we're often talking about fragrances, and many times you're looking for the same end goal. So today we're going to take things up a notch. Now, before we get started, let's make one thing clear. You cannot force anyone to like you. However, you can make yourself more attractive, and that's exactly what we're talking about today. Confidence, charisma, communication, creativity, and courage. That, my friends, we call the 5 C's. So stick around, my friends, and I'll show you how to use those 5 psychological tricks to become more irresistible to any girl out there. Alright, so the first C is confidence. You need to be comfortable in your own skin and begin to learn to embrace both your strengths and your weaknesses. This one may be easier said than done, but also get in shape, get in the gym, and take care of your body. That will ultimately help you improve your confidence. And finally, the last one with this one is to dress to impress. A well-crafted outfit is going to boost your confidence to the next level and have you ready to take on the world. The second C, that one happens to be charisma. Smile, laugh. It shows that you're approachable and ready to have fun. When you're in the right environment, feel free to ask her questions so that you're interested, but more importantly, actively listen to what she has to say. Overall, when it comes to this one, you want to be the best version of yourself. Don't make things weird. Let your personality show through, and don't be afraid to show your goofy side. Just don't be a goofy. Next up is communication. Communication is extremely important, no matter if we're talking about getting a girl to like you or just in life in general. And for this one here, you want to make sure that you can show that you can have a conversation. You should always have a few icebreakers on deck, or be prepared to tell her something funny or interesting to start the conversation. Now, have you ever heard the old adage, it's not what you say, it's how you say it? It's not also what she's saying, but what you're doing when she's saying it. Always be prepared to make eye contact. That shows that you're paying attention and you're truly interested in what she has to say. And third, if you're using social media, texting, etc., feel free to use emojis or gifs, whatever one you want to call it, but you don't want to overdo it. Too many, you come off like a creep, and if you just do 1 or 2 or 3, you come off in just the right space. So be sure to communicate effectively to keep the juices flowing. So the 4th C happens to be creativity, and at this stage in the game, I'm assuming everything else we talked about has come off just right, and while you're planning your first date. And sometimes you want to do things a little bit differently, and by sometimes, I mean all the time. Be sure to plan an original and memorable date. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside of the box here. You can surprise her with thoughtful gestures like a sexy fragrance or a handwritten note to take things up a notch. And something that is always tried and true to keep them hooked is to use humor as a part of the discussion. Make sure that you're drawing them in and keep things light and fun. And last but not least, we have the final C, the 5th C, which happens to be courage. When it comes down to courage, it's super simple. Don't be afraid to take risk. Ask her out for that second date. Make the first move. Just be bold. If things are going well, don't be afraid to face your fears. Try something new together like skydiving, bungee jumping, or, being a bull matador. Don't do that one. Take the lead, show her you're confident, you're courageous, and in control, and she'll for sure be impressed. So there you have it. Those are 5 quick psychological tricks to have any girl chase you. But these things only work if you show that you are genuine and authentic. And to top it all off, be sure to use your favorite fragrance to improve your confidence via compliments that she's going to give you via the wonderful world of fragrance. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that we are back again. Watch out, Tiger. Before you go, hit the goddamn bell.